In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a database in Odoo. If you no longer need an old test environment, a duplicate database, or a workspace you created for temporary use, Odoo gives you a way to remove it directly from your account settings. Since deleting a database is permanent, it's important to move carefully and confirm that you are removing the correct one before you finish the process. To begin, go to the Odoo website and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're on the main interface, look to the upper right corner of the page and click your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, select My Databases. This is the area where Odoo lists the databases connected to your account and gives you access to management options for each one. After that, find the specific database you want to delete. Take a moment here to double check the name so you don't accidentally select the wrong database, especially if you have several with similar names. When you've found the correct one, click the gear icon next to the database name. That will open the settings for that database. Once you're on the database settings page, scroll down until you reach the database section. In this area, look for the option labeled Delete the Database. Depending on your screen size or browser, you may need to scroll a bit further, so just continue slowly until you see it. When you locate the Delete option, click Delete to begin the removal process. At this point, Odoo will usually show a confirmation prompt. This is an important safeguard designed to prevent accidental deletion. Follow the prompt exactly as it appears. If Odoo asks you to type the database name or enter another confirmation value, carefully enter the requested information. Make sure what you type matches exactly, since confirmation fields are often case sensitive or require an exact value. Once the requested confirmation information has been entered, click the Final Delete button or the Final Confirmation button shown on your screen. This completes the process and permanently removes the database from your Odoo account. Before doing this, it's always a good idea to make sure you no longer need any data stored inside that database, because once it's deleted, you typically won't be able to recover it. And that's it! You've successfully deleted a database in Odoo.